Hello students, so in this video we are going to solve question number 5 of exercise 1.1 chapter 1 large number. Question 5 is fill in the blank to complete the conversion. So here some numbers are converted into another number, so we have to fill these numbers by a number which is required to complete this conversion. So one example is given for us to solve them. 3 ones means 3 is at the place of ones. 3 ones multiply by this 1 lakh and it will become 3 lakh. Means when we will multiply this 1 lakh with this 3 number, it will become 3 lakh. In the same way, we have to find this number, means by what number we will multiply this 1 lakh and it will become 10 lakh. So this is easy, means we have to do some rough work here to complete this filling the blanks. So C number 1 lakh multiply what, it will become 10 lakh. So as we know, in the place value chart, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, then 10 lakh. So means after lakh, the next number in the direction of left side, 10 lakh is coming. So means lakh, directly next number is 10 lakh. So there is only gap of one digit, so we can write it as 10. It will be 10. The two place we will take at 10, so it will become 10. So if you multiply this 1 lakh with 10, it will become 10 lakh. We can easily see it here. We can write here 1 lakh as a number. This is 1 lakh, okay, and then we will multiply this 10. So 10 will be added here and it will become 60 will come here. In 1 lakh only 5 zeros are there. After multiplying this 10, there will be 6 zeros. Now we will put the commas. First comma will come here, then second comma will come here, because we are writing in Indian system. So it will become 10 lakh. Now second question number, means okay, B number is left, so we will solve B number. 700 multiply by what, it will become 70 lakh. So we can easily see that we have to make this 70 lakh and there is only 700. So we know that here we have written the place value chart, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So here only 700 is here, means after the 700 we have to move how much steps. So we will go to the up to 70 lakh position, means 10 lakh position. So there are, again we will write it, or we can write 700, this will be more easier, and 70 lakh, 70 then comma and lakhs 50, 70 lakhs. So here 700, so there are only 2 zeros in here and here are 6 zeros. So how many zeros are remaining? So I can easily see, after removing these 2 zeros of 100, 2 zeros of 100, we are having only 4 zeros. So it means we will write here 4 zeros and 1. It means it is a 10,000. Means if we multiply 10,000 in 700, 10,000 in 700, then we will get this 70 lakh. In this way we will find the fill in the blank or blank. Then let's start next number, that is D. It is 4,000 multiply by what number, and it will become 4 crores. So first we will write this 4,000 in numbers, 4,000, then blank, and then 4 crores. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So at the place of crore 4 is there and this will be the comma. So it is a 4 crore. Now in 4 crore there are 7 zeros and here in 1000 only 3 zeros are there, so we will remove this 3 zeros, means removing this 3 zeros. How many zeros are remaining? So there are 4 zeros remaining, so we will write here 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4, and next number will be 1. So here again it will be set. So after 4 zeros, means in this 4 crore, by after removing these 3 zeros, 4 zeros are remaining and one digit, that is 4, is remaining. So we will write this 4 zeros here, and in place of 4 we will write here 1, because already 4 is here. We have to just multiply one number, so we will get the same number 4. So 4000 is multiplied by this 10,000 and we will get this 4 crores. And here we can easily count the zeros also. There are 4 3 7 zeros, and here 4 and 3 zeros, it will become 7 zeros. It is the 4 crores. So in the blank 10,000 will come. Then we'll do the next question, that is E number 6 lakhs multiplied by dash is equal to 6 crore. Again this is the same number, same question as D was. So we will write here 6 lakhs, means 6 lakhs is having 5 zeros and then blank, and then 6 crores. So 6 crores means we know that in crores 7 zeros are there, so we will put 7 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and it will become 6 crores. So how many zeros are required? Here 5 zeros are already there, so we will remove these 5 zeros. And how many zeros are left? 2 zeros and 1 digit, so it will be 100. So if 6 lakhs is multiplied by 100, it will become 6 crores. Now we will go to the F number, next exercise. 8 crore. 8 crore divided by what number, and it will become 8 lakh. So here we will do this opposite of this method. So first we will write 8 crore. Crore is having 7 zeros, so 4 zero we will write here, and then 3 zeros, it will become 8 crore. And this 8 crore is divided by what number, and it will become 8 lakhs. 8 lakh is having 5 zeros. So how many zeros we required in answer? 5. And how many zeros are there? 7. So if we remove 2 zeros, it will become 5 zeros. Remaining will be 5 zeros. So we can say that if we divide this 8 crore by 100, if we divide this 8 crore by 100, these 2 zeros will be removed by 2 zero of 100, and remaining 5 zeros will be here. So it will become 8 lakhs. In this way we can find that what will come in the blank. Then next question is G number 2 crore divide by what, and it will become 2000. So again 2 crores is having 7 zeros, divided by what number we don't know, and it will become 2000. So we need 3 zeros, so we need only 3 zeros, and means this one 2000. So how many zeros we have to remove? 4 zeros. So we will divide this 2 crores by 4 zero digit. So here are 4 zeros, and we will put 1 here. So 4 zeros will be divided, 4 zero will be divided by this 2 crores 4 zero, last back side 4 zeros, 1 2 3 and 4. This 4 zero will be removed by this 4 zeros, and our 2000 will be the result. Then after G, H number we will solve. 5 lakh is divided by what number, and we will get 5 1. So again 5 lakh is having 5 zeros, and divided by what number we don't know. We need 5 1. 5 1 means only 5, there is no 0. 5 is at the place of ones. So if we need this 5, then we have to remove all these zeros. So just write here all 5 zeros, 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 and then put 1. Means to remove this all zeros we have to divide this 5 lakh by 1 lakh and all zeros will be divided and only 5 number will be remaining. So this will be our 5 ones. So in the blank answer will be 1 lakh. Then I number question 3000. 3000 divided by what, and it will become 3 tens. So 310 means it's a tens position 30, and which number we will divide we don't know, and 3000 means 3 zeros. This 3000 is having 3 zeros and we need only 1 zero in the answer, so we have to remove this 2 zeros. So write here 2 zeros and put 1. So we have to divide this 3000 by 100 and we will get this 30. 2 zero will be removed by this 100 zeros, so we will get 30. So our answer will be 100 in the blank. And then J number 1 crore divided by dash is equal to 1 1. It means 1 1 means this 1 is at the place of ones in place value chart, and here in the blank what will come we don't know, and we know that in 1 crore there are 7 zeros, so we will put here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 zeros. Now this is 1 crore, so we need to remove this all the zeros because in our answer there is no zero, it's only 1. So to remove this all the zeros we have to divide this number by all these zeros and 1. So we will put here 7 zeros and 1s, means 1 crore will be divided by again 1 crore and the answer will become as 1. So this is our answer. In the blank our answer will be 1 crore. In this way we will solve this exercise question number 5, and question number 6 we will do in next video. Sorry, by mistake I said that we will do question number 6 in next video, but we are doing it in the same video. So question number 6. In question number 6, here question number 6, what is the place value of 1 in each of the following numerals? Means in the below given numerals we have to find the place value of 1. Means 1 is written in between the number and we have to find the place value of that 1. So in first question A 813264, so here 2 commas are there, so means what is the place value of 1? We can easily find that ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs, means 1 is at the place of lakhs. So we can say that place value of 1 is equal to 1 lakh, or we can write it as 1 lakh in this way also. Then B 6391754, here also 1 comma is there and then after 2 digits second comma is there and 1 is here, so 1 is the place of 1000, ones, tens, 100 and 1000, so here 1 is at the place of 1000. So we can say that place value is equal to 1 is 1000, and we can write it in the number system also 1000. Then C number 218894047, here also this number is written in the Indian system because after 3 digit first comma is coming, then after 2 digit comma is coming, and here 1 is at the place of some number, some value, but we can't say it, so we will again say the place value chart: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, means 1 is at the place of crore. So place value of 1 is here 1 crore, and we can write it in the number system, means after 1 7 zeros are there, and this will be place value of 1 in the. So I think in the same way you can solve question number D, E and F. Okay, or I can solve one more question, F number, that is 1000000 and then 000, and comma is coming after 3 digits, then 2, then 2, then 2, then 3. So as we know that in Indian system, after 3 digit first comma is coming, then 2 digits second comma is coming, then 2 digit second comma is coming, next comma is coming, and then after 3 digits commas are coming. So here it is a 100 crores, because after crore 4 digits are there, so it is a 100 crores. So means it's a ones position. So ones position is at the 100 crore position. Face value of 1 is 100 crores. So you can write place value of 1 is equal to 100 crore, and we can also write in the numbers. So number is already written here, 100 crore. So here our exercise for exercise 1.1 question number 6 is completing, and question number 7 we will do in next video.